a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my got you.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit that was sent over from UNicehair. Today's unit is a beginner friendly curly V-part unit. Now if you're new here, in the past I've said that I'm against V-part units, but low-key they're starting to grow on me. The cap construction for this unit comes with 5 clip combs surrounding the V-part section. It also comes with 3 combs in the cap, one in the back, the other 2 are at the front, one on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that of course you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. The cap for this unit comes as the normal cap, but you do have the option to get the breezy open cap, which just means that the tracks are sewn to like lace pieces, so therefore the unit is more breathable. You can also get this cap in 2 different sizes of small and medium. I received the medium and it fit just fine, but they also do offer the unit in 2 different densities of 150 and 200% density. I received the 150. This unit does come in multiple lengths of 14 all the way down to 26 inches, and of course I received the 24 inch. The installation for this unit was like super easy. I called myself trying to slick down my edges using some edge control, but then later on I realized no, I want a few of them out because with the texture of this unit, you know, with it being curly and frizzy and big, I'm like, I need my edges to be like curly and frizzy and big. Why would I want slick down edges? So yeah, I ended up combing those out a little bit later. When it came to installing the actual unit, I didn't even use the 5th clip that was at the very bottom of the V. Instead, I just used the 2 clips that were on each side of the V. I tried to clip the unit as close together as possible, but of course, still making sure to leave my actual parting space visible. I wanted to make this install as natural looking as possible, so of course I'm going to tease the rooting of the unit. Now of course, me being me, I did go in and shampoo, condition, and then of course I let the unit air dry overnight. So this is what she was looking after that process. But after installing the unit, I decided I want some shape to her, so of course I now have to go in and layer the unit and then go back in and wet it and use my Lotta body. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do all of that and then I'll come back in a few. This unit is so pretty and I've actually been wearing it a lot lately, and I've gone out in public with her on and gotten so many compliments with people telling me that they love my natural hair. And of course, me being me, I'm gonna be completely honest with people and I always just tell them it's a wig, girl. Like I stated earlier, in the past I wasn't the biggest fan of V-part units, but they are slowly growing on me. I'm starting to realize curly V-part units, more natural looking V-part units, are more my speed. So I don't know, I might try to find a kinky straight V-part and see how I feel about that. But you guys let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my description box where I'll have all of the information for this unit. Thank you again to UNicehair for sending her over for me to review. It is much appreciated. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.